model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L1 Sportive 2900 1.5, 100 PS, Turbo DS. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 100668. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,975 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.